Welcome, and let's talk about Shibadoge. Now, according to Shibadoge statistics, 3 people owns about 71% of Shibadoge tokens. Shibadoge supply, 3 people owns 71%. Wow, you can see that just these 3 people can also control the price of Shibadoge. Imagine 1 or 2 of them coming in to pull out of Shibadoge. Definitely this might even crash Shibadoge, but I hope to see these 3 people show more support on Shibadoge, especially in the area of burning, destroying some of their holding, because they are the one holding the largest part of Shibadoge coins. Yes, the truth is Shibadoge have a lot of coins in circulation and supply, and I think we need to destroy some certain percentage of this supply, of this circulating supply. And also, if these 3 people that are actually holding the largest, 71% is being held in the hands of these people, if they can really show more support for Shibadoge by burning, by destroying some of their holding, definitely it's going to help Shibadoge price. I believe many people will get more attracted to Shibadoge token, and I believe that Shibadoge definitely is going to start increasing in price gradually. But I'm kind of not really surprised seeing just 3 people owns about 71% of Shibadoge. But the truth still remains that Shibadoge is definitely going to increase in price gradually, and then I believe that next year 2023 will be one of the biggest year for Shibadoge, starting to get more popularity, attracting more people. Then in 2025 and 2030, I hope Shibadoge definitely is going to deliver between 2 to 5 zeros, which will end up making a lot of people millionaires. Now let's hope that these 3 people actually show more support on Shibadoge. If 3 people actually they have 71% of Shibadoge coin, that is to say that the top 5 or the top 10 might be actually holding 98%. So you see that Shibadoge is in the hands of very few people who control Shibadoge, and anything might happen. They might decide to pull out. The Shibadoge definitely is going to affect Shibadoge token, but they can use that advantage also to destroy some of their holding. Then I believe Shibadoge definitely is going to increase in price. Shibadoge have gotten the attention of Ethereum World before, and I believe this time around, if Shibadoge can really do a better project, definitely Ethereum World will be coming back, and not just Ethereum World, I believe other top crypto companies will be coming back, just like Robinhood. Let's hope to see what will happen with Shibadoge before the end of 2023. Once again, remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do all research before taking any decision.